Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact moment that hooks viewers. Pick a 15-60-second span and aim for 15-30 seconds when possible. Once chosen, note precise timestamps so you can trim without guessing. Make sure the narrative arc still fits. Next, decide on framing. If the original is horizontal, plan a 9/16 crop or recompose the frame to keep faces and key action visible. Do this now so editing is straightforward. Don't waste time on trial and error later. You then trim precisely to the timestamps you noted, removing dead air and anything that slows pacing. Once trimmed, set a 9/16 canvas and scale or reposition the clip so faces and action remain centered. If needed, zoom in slightly but avoid pixelation. After positioning, add captions and short on-screen text for context. Captions increase retention. Finally, tighten timing with 0.5 to 1 second cuts to match beats. This creates rhythm and keeps viewers engaged. You export as H.264 MP4 at 1080x1920 with a high bitrate to preserve quality. This is the standard that uploads reliably. Once exported, craft a short hook title, include the hashtag, #shorts, and pick a clear thumbnail from a strong frame. These drive clicks. Then upload, enable captions, and confirm the clip is under 1 minute. If playback issues appear, re-export at a slightly lower bitrate or remux the file. That usually resolves codec or upload failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.